What happens if you put one in there? It gets stuck?
Christie's kids had free reign at the Children's Museum of Tucson.
Ooh. Oh, and you can feel the vibration.
Yeah, but when you try to do it on here, it won't work.
Yeah, but here.
An educational catch-up with Daniel and Jessica, Dana and Dominic, Kamani and Timmy.
That one went all the way.
In 2012, we showed you a dozen kids, one of them adopted.
My favorite team is the Cowboys.
Remember Michael? He was separated from his biological brother in the system. Same thing happened to Cordell, but now these two are adoptive brothers, brought together by a Christie's Kids report.
My parents adopted him because of the video of him at the U of A stadium.
We go out, we play Xbox, and like normal kids, we do good.
Right now there are 9 local kids about to be adopted, like Chloe. She refused to give up, and now
I'm 150% happy.
Scott and Tammy told her Thanksgiving Day that they're adopting her.
I imagine a great life, not moving around all the time, and I can imagine myself going to a pretty good college.
It's the wish of so many, even if they're too young to know it.
Do you know what this is?
Corn.
And what about this?
Broccoli.
Do you like broccoli? I do too.
Anthony is still searching, all of them holding out hope. A new life, topping their Christmas wish list.
Well, you can be anything you want to be. You just have to never give up. That's the key. A lot of people give up. Can't do that.